You ready? We're gonna say hi. Hi! Good job! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe down below and also click the thumbs up button. We have a special guest on my video, which is my son. He's right over here. His name is Christian. Really quickly for my intro, I wanted to thank you all for commenting on my previous video, and thank you so much for voting on my Instagram for this makeup look. I asked you guys if you wanted to do a date night look, if you wanted me to do a date night look or a day look, and obviously the day look won. So I really hope you guys enjoy this makeup look right here. If you are ready to create it using all drugstore products, please go ahead and keep watching. Hey! Hey! I'm gonna go right ahead and get started, and we're gonna get started with our primer. The one that I love to use here is MILANI's Prime Light. I use it in all of my videos. My face is dry, so this primer has been amazing for me. I've noticed that I haven't found like a good matte primer. Any of you out there that you have found a matte primer that you love and can recommend it to me, I would love to try it. But for now, I really love MILANI's Prime Light, and obviously it has a dewy effect and makes your skin glow. Next, we're gonna be going with L'Oreal's Infallible 24-Hour Wear Foundation. So one of the main things that I've learned to do is to blend a lot, to take my time. I've noticed that it makes my makeup look so nice and smooth and crisp. Like my sister-in-law, well, my sister, I don't like to say in-law anymore. My sister actually saw me doing my makeup the other day, and she was like, wow, you really like to blend a lot. And I just noticed, like, I feel for me it makes a huge difference. So if you guys see me speeding up my video, you already know that, you know, I take my time blending. So try and take your time so everything can look nice and blended well and kind of like the airbrush finish. I actually chose to do a talk through with you guys because I feel like I haven't done one in a while, and yeah, I just want to explain to you guys, you know, my process and what I'm doing, because I also want to feel like I'm connecting with you all. You know, like if you're getting ready to go out, then you can put my video on, and you know, it's like we're getting ready to go out together. So, you know, if you don't have your girlfriends with you, then it's nice right now because you have me. I'm getting ready with you right now. America runs on Duncan. Just because they're staring. Okay, my love, so now we're going into our concealers, and the one that I have here is the Maybelline's Fit Me concealer, and this one is number 10. It's fair. Okay, and what I like to do is I do a triangle right under here. So I'm gonna get up close so I can show you. Here, this is how I do it. So now we are gonna go with our AIRSPUN, well, this way, sorry, our AIRSPUN translucent powder. So I skipped over this part because my video was too long. I was trying to do a talking with you guys, and it was too long. So you already know I'm putting the powder under my eyes and anywhere where I put my concealer, basically. So now I'm gonna go in with our bronzer, and the one that I'm using today is COVERGIRL Peach Punch Highlighting Palette. Now this is called the highlighting palette because obviously it has a highlighter, it has a blush, and a bronzer. So I'm gonna be going into the bronzer right now, and I love to apply it here. So go ahead and apply your bronzer where you normally would contour. That's what I did here. I was just speeding up the video. Okay, so now just make sure that you remove all the excess of your translucent powder from your face. Here I decided to speed up the video again because my video was way too long. Sorry you guys. So let's go in with our highlighter, and this one is Wet n Wild's Mega Glow number 321B Precious Petals. As you can see, I'm almost done with this one. It is my favorite, as you can tell, and it gives such an amazing glow. So go ahead and apply your highlighter above your cheekbone. I like to put some on my cupid's bow, a little bit on my nose. So going back to the COVERGIRL palette, I am going to go with the blush, okay? And as I always love to do, I smile and apply it. I feel like it helps a lot. Okay, so now I believe we are ready to get started with our eyes. And the palette that I'm going to be using today is Maybelline's Lemonade Craze palette. We're going to go first with Sherbet right here at the top, and this is gonna be our base color. Now I was going to apply an eye primer, but I believe that I don't need it right now because this palette is pretty good, and I actually wanted to make this video as short as possible, and I also wanted to make the makeup look easier for you guys, so you don't have to use so many products. So as you can see here, which I forgot to say, when I was applying my concealer and I was blending it out, for the excess I did tap it over my eyelids, so that was kind of like an eye primer in a way. So that's a tip for you guys if you want to do that. So basically what I'm doing is I'm applying it on my eyelid all the way up to my brow bone. I'm gonna be going in with Sweet Tea right here at the bottom. This was called Sweet Tea. It's like a light brown, and we're gonna be using this one for our crease right here. Again, I am going to be speeding up my video, but do not forget to take your time blending your eyeshadow as well. My number one thing is blend, 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 girl. Just blend, okay? I'm gonna try to do this makeup look as simple as possible, but take your time blending. Blending is key. Now we're gonna go with this shade right over here, and if you can see it up close, this one is called Coral Punch, and that's the one that we're gonna go into. And this one is gonna be going into our eyelid. So right here, we're gonna pack it on and blend it in together. Now what I like to do with this one, I like to actually use my finger and just tap it on there, because I feel like it just applies way better than with the brush, and then I use my brush to blend it all together, you know, to clean it up. But I don't know if you can tell there on camera what a huge difference when I use my finger. So as long as you wash your hands, you're fine. You can use your fingers. Don't worry. Just please wash your hands before you start your makeup. And basically, since I already have the right amount that I wanted, I'm gonna basically just blend it all together, clean this up since I used my fingers. And now we are gonna be going into this one right over here, and this one is called Citrus. This is the highlighting shade. It's very shimmery, and we're gonna be using that just right over here to give it a little bit of a pop, a highlighting pop in our inner corner eyes. Now what I do like to do with these, you know, the inner corner, I like to grab my setting spray and wet my brush a bit, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. We're going over this beautiful color here, and we're gonna use it right here. Tap it right on there. A lot more. We are gonna go with our eyeliner, and the one that I like to use is Wet n Wild's MEGALINER. This one's a liquid eyeliner and it's in the color black. Just remember to take your time while you are applying this. Actually, it's gonna be a little bit tough for me to do it using my phone, so I'm actually gonna be doing my eyeliner off camera, and I'll be right back and do the rest on camera. Okay, my loves, so I am back, and as you can see, my son is here with me. So I already applied my eyeliner off camera, and what I did also is that I curled my eyelashes. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply our mascara, and the one that I have here is Maybelline Lash Sensational, and this one is in the color black. Now I decided not to apply any fake eyelashes because you guys did vote for a day look. We're gonna go with our eyebrows, and if you have seen my previous videos, I don't draw them in. I actually use Maybelline Brow Drama. This one is in the color soft brown, and it's actually a brow gel. And what I do is as you can see here, has a little brush, so I just apply a little here. So I don't know if you guys can hear me pretty good. I'm sorry that you hear that in the background, but it is my son playing his favorite game. Okay, my loves, so now we're ready for our lipstick, and I'm gonna use my favorite lipstick. This one is called, it's by MILANI, and it's called AMORE Matte Lip Cream, and this one is in the color number 11 Precious. Hi. Now basically what we have as our last step is MILANI Make It Last Setting Spray. This is 3-in-1. It's a prime, correct, and set, and it actually says that it's a 16-hour wear. Turn it. Okay, so let me show you guys here up close really quick, and that's what it looks like. And we basically gonna spray it now. Okay, my loves, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna get up close to the camera so you guys can see. Okay, my loves, I hope you all enjoyed watching my video. If you have any questions at all, please go ahead and comment down below. I will be very happy to answer all of your questions. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. If you do have a channel yourself and you want to support each other on YouTube, go ahead and comment down below, subscribe. As always, I want you guys to know that I truly appreciate your support. When you're supporting me, you're obviously supporting my family as well. I do this as a hobby, but I would love to make this my job and help you guys out, and hopefully reach out to companies out there. So thank you guys again for your support. As always, I'll see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.